everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So, I'm on my way to the mall. I'm gonna have breakfast there and then get some waxing done. And then after that, this afternoon we're gonna go to the studio. Studio where I will be holding my Say Eyelash Curler launch and together with a workshop. So, it's gonna be a quite busy day. So, punta muna tayo ng SM. I want bibingkinitan and coffee. We're now here sa, saan to? Intramuros. And we are here at the Manila Collectible Company. And we're here to visit Vera Wedding Store event and photo studio. So this is where the launch of my eyelash curler will be held. It's gonna be on April 26th. I'm gonna make the official announcement in a few minutes. Sige. Very artsy stuff. And this is gonna be a very different workshop because it's themed. It's not gonna be a personal basic makeup workshop. May theme na siya. Carmela! Hi! Ganda. Sa'yo talaga to?
Yes.
So sabi ko, sama siya para makita niya yung venue. Oh. Shabby chic inspired daw sa. Ang cute! Ang ganda! Wow! Photoshoot area. This is so cool. Look at this, oh, so cute. Carmela gave us iced tea in a fancy looking glass. And meron pa silang mga cookies. Di ba ang cute?
Caramel popcorn. Will you feel that one?
Talagang terno yung kulay mo sa Vera Studios.
Yes. This is my shabby chic studio.
She's the owner. And she's also an events manager. So if meron kayong mga...
Yes, for your debuts, upcoming debuts, you can hold it here. We have a 400 square meter roof deck. Perfect for special events, featuring a fabulous view of the iconic Manila Cathedral Church.
Wow.
To contact us, just search us on Facebook. Search for Vera Studios.
Look at this. O, diba? Akala mo totoo. Huwag mo kakagatin yan kasi yan ay kandila. Actually, kanina may nakita akong ganyan sa SM Manila. I love this place. Ang dami kong naiisip na ideas. So, stay tuned for a lot of announcements. The first event that will be held here will be on April 26th, as I have told you guys earlier. So, it's gonna be the launch of the eyelash curlers and a themed makeup workshop. We're gonna go visit upstairs, yung roof deck nila, and it's a possible venue for a lot of events where we're planning. Hindi ko wala pwede pakita tong studio na to kasi during the makeup workshop on April 26 and the event pala, makaka-tour kayo. Ay, ito ba yun? Ay, hindi. Nakaharang yung mga pot. Pala. You will be able to tour this place. Ito yung Manila Collectible, no? Ayan. Cute naman, may mga pots. Oh my God! Parang ganda ng view dito, ah.
Here.
Wow, nice!
Wedding reception.
Ito yung kanina pababa. Oh, it's so nice. You see a view of Manila Cathedral sa likod. Ayun na, the front one. Yan, kung sino man gustong ikasal, dito na kayo.
And debuts, diba? And any art-related events.
Wow, ayan yung Manila. The Manila Collectible Company. So this is included in the package if ever you sign up for the workshop that will happen on April 26.
It's a beauty and art
Yes,
fair.
beauty and art fair.
Here
Sobrang
at
dami
Manila
yung...
Collectible and various studios with Miss Choco Artillero.
Sobrang dami yung... Oh my gosh, ako sobrang natutuwa ako. Ang dami namin nakikita, di ba? Kasama na yung tour, kasama na yung workshop, kasama na yung launch. Food, photoshoot, ano ba ba? Ang dami, massage,
Bonding, yes,
nail art.
yes.
Oh my gosh, ang dami. Saan pa
Dami
kayo?
pwedeng gawin.
Diba? Limited slots only na ko. Magpunahan kayo mag-sign up.
Yung copper plate, ito yung oldest written documentation na natagpuan nila sa Laguna. That's why it's named after them. Pero, ganon. And then this one, yung baybayin, ang Laguna copper plate ang precursor natin sa baybayin. God, yun yung boatman na nagde-deliver sa kanya into the afterlife.
Okay.
And what's important with this is heritage treasure ng Pilipinas. Kung Hindu Buddhism siya.
Oo.
Is because Yung original 1,000, Ling Ling O.
Ling Ling O.
Yes.
Okay.
Ling Ling O. Ang Ling Ling O naman is, ano bang gagawa? Wala
Oo
na.
nga eh.
Kasi mga active na sa pagpupunta ng Maynila. Ginagawa nila to for more than 3 months and then sacred siya dahil yung design nanggagaling sa panaginip nila.
Wow!
Yeah.
Ang dami niyo palang products, no? We're gonna have a
Trip
free
ko lang.
taste of the...
Awesome dulce con crema.
Wow, and
chocolate
that
con
is...
crema.
Ano siya?
Childhood memories of milk and sugar.
Wow, milk and sugar. And then yung isa...
Here.
Ayan. Oh my gosh.
Ang sarap niya.
Love it. You eat it with bread, no? Bread
How
siya.
is it, Miss Joy?
It's good. I almost forgot that I used to, drizzle condensada
Mhm.
on my bread.
Ay, oo, oo.
Pandesal.
Wow, let's... Ang sarap. I like the... Ano to yan?
Dulce con crema.
Dulce con crema better than this one.
Parang,
Pero masarap na
para
siya.
siyang yema spread.
Ang sarap mo. Yema spread. How much is one bottle?
220.
220.
For the-
It's made
yes.
from Davao?
From
made in
Davao.
Davao. Ah, from Davao.
Wow.
Yummy.
And now, we're going to drink coffee.
Yung coffee naman nila is from...
From the farm of the lolo of the owner.
Wow.
In Batangas.
Batangas. So, anong klaseng coffee siya? Anong tawag sa kanya?
It's a blend of Excelsior, Robusta, and Liberica.
Wow.
So, blend talaga siya.
Oh
na
my
super
gosh.
blend.
Sobrang sarap niyan. Mothers of Quezon City.
Yes. Yung isang community yun ng mga, kumbaga, unprivileged mothers.
Okay.
So, kinulate sila para magtahid nitong mga hobby shoes para part ng livelihood program nila.
I spotted this really... Ang ganda kasi, ewan ko pagkita ko, love at first sight. It's my size 9. Size 9. Look at that. Ang ganda ng color niya, oh. I like it. 1,100. Siyempre, ano siya, gawa talaga ng tao. It's not from factory, so I'm trying out the shoes. Di ba ang cute niya? Oh, I love it. What's that?
Kit.
Oh, thank you.
Anong tawag sa kanya?
Anong coffee? We're gonna try the ESL Batangas coffee, and this one was taken from yung farm ng lolo na may-ari ng tama ba? Ng
Yes.
Manila Collectible Company. I am coffee drinker, and ang cute kasi we put in Muscovado rocks. Oh, saan ka nakakita ng gano'n, diba? Ako ngayon lang ako nakakita nun. We're gonna try it without any cream para daw super yung flavor talaga ng coffee is ma-taste ko talaga. Ang cute ng spoon ng wood. Ay, hindi. Ano to? Wood to, diba? Ang sarap. Ang sarap
Joy.
niya.
Add mo ng cream.
Bigyan mo ng cream na kayo.
With cream this time.
Hindi kasi compare naman sa normal cigarettes, ang tobacco, it doesn't contain nicotine. So,
No blowback.
good siya.
Sarap.
And then,
Kaya kasarap
price
talaga.
lang yung
One of the best coffees I've tried. Kasi ako, ang favorite coffee ko is Barako talaga. Yung sobrang tapang talaga na buong araw gising ako. On our way home, so please stay tuned for all the announcements regarding all the events that we'll be holding together with Carmela of Vera Studios. I love that place. Sobrang homey, sobrang relaxing. And sa mga viewers ko dyan, mga balikbayan or mga foreigner, nako, visit nyo yung place na yun. Super good cause kasi they help indigenous people. Yung mga gumagawa ng mga yung shoes kanina na gusto kong bilhin, bibilin ko yun. Medyo pricey siya, pero it's for a good cause naman. Napupunta rin sa mga gumawa. Kasi medyo ano yan, di ba? Native yung basta maganda siya. I love it. Okay, bye-bye.